This is the message for Sunday, September 14th, 2014. Greetings, dear ones. There is so much light, beautiful radiance. It is the element of light which rids the darkness. Where there are residues of the past actions, the light comes to release the influence of the past action. Light is generated by the blessed master tools of light, the blessed biotrinities, each surrounded by a super cell, one superstar cell and one super water cell ignite the process of Genesis fusion. It is a mighty burst of light, a burst of the energy of creation, which is at the heart of the expressions of creation, the source of energy, the blessed supercharged source. Genesis fusion is that energy. Genesis fusion is that energy of the source. The two super cells together generate the dynamic burst of the energy of Genesis fusion. Yes, the biotrinity sets the direction. The biotrinity sets the course, establishes the intent. The direction for this energy to flow. Together, the 5 biotrinities form a complete set of the energy of the total values of creation. 5 mighty directors governing the expressions of creation. Each pathway is guided by one of these 5 mighty governors. One of the 5 will be the lead biotrinity, the lead director for a specific pathway. The energy of the pathway will contain the influence of the totality of the 5 blessed mighty governors. And yet, the lead director will establish the nature of the pathway, the direction of the pathway. Dear ambassadors, the source biotrinities remain at the source. The source is located at the beloved seat of eternal light. Yes, the energy begins here. The energy is anchored at the seat of eternal light. The source biotrinity identifies the pathway through the location of the lead director, the central biotrinity directing the pathway of starlight. The light flows out, outwards to fill the pathway. It is a light in the movement of initial rotations. Initial rotations. Spiraling energy flowing outwards from the origin, flowing from the source. It is the nature of the structure of the blessed pathway of starlight. It is a luminous pathway of the light to remove the residues contained within that pathway. The light carries the energy of the beloved chambers of eternal light to every location within the pathway. Every chamber within this pathway contributes to the removal of all residues. It is a vast system of connected energy. This system connects every chamber of eternal light within each pathway. The source remains connected with all aspects of the pathway, and energy flows in the direction of the lead director for each pathway. In this way, blessed ambassadors, we establish the mighty network of pathways for the removal of the residues, marking the achievement of the second phase of our action to establish the beloved global network for the light of Genesis. This phase will be fully accomplished during this blessed year of action. It is a year of illumined action. Action. Very good. It is very good. Let us offer the direction of our placement of the tools today for China, the pathway for China. Yes, we will position the tools properly onto the maps, and together today we will enjoy the technique of the blessed golden matrix. The light is increasing with every day, day by day, action of establishing the blessed webwork of light brings about greater levels of light for all. Yes, we will conclude with the blessed technique of the pearl of knowledge. Many blessings.